This session will cover the visual trellising options in Pyramid. To start, we have a bar chart using the children hierarchy as the category and cost as the value metric. Now let's add the gender chip to the color drop zone. And our charts are now split out between a male and female series. Let's add expenses as a second value. Pyramid auto-trellises the measures into two separate charts, one for each metric. Notice that by default they both have the same chart type, the column chart. While the x-axes are common to both charts, the y-axes have different ranges to match the different metric sizes in the data. If we add the margin chip as a secondary measure against expenses, using the sub-drop zone option for values, we can change the chart type that is used for the secondary axis. There are numerous options from column to line to area. Let's use the line chart. So we have cost on the top chart, expenses as the primary column chart on the bottom, with margin as a line against expenses on the secondary axis. Now, what if we want the two primary measures to have different chart types, where cost is a column chart and expenses is displayed as an area chart? So let's start again with a single measure chart. Let's drag expenses to the value drop zone, then hover over the sub drop zone icon, choose the trellis option, and then select the area chart. Now you have cost as a column chart and expenses as an area chart underneath it. This shows different graphical representations and different scales on the y-axis. We can now embellish our charts further by adding additional measures as secondary measures for both the top and bottom charts. We can add quantity to the secondary axis of expenses using points, and we can add revenue to the secondary axis of cost using lollipops. And of course, we can continue to add as many measures that we want to, trellising them and choosing any chart type for the new measure.